And I didn't exactly plan on making a video of this, but I bought new headlights, and as you can see, well, this one has moisture in it. It's been raining, so everything looks wet, but this one actually has moisture built up inside of it, see? That ain't going away. This one's fine, it's just foggy and old, oxidized. These are okay, they're just a little fogged. Like on the inside, I don't know, I can fix those myself, but I really don't feel like fixing those, so I'm just buying new ones. So I guess I may as well film the installation, I suppose.
Cue the ghetto intro.
Alright, first things first, you gotta take out the header panel. Just a little, there you go. And a little bit more of a... There we go. Alright. I'm not sure who set off what alarm, but that's kind of freaking weird. This just lifts up and out and then drain as needed. Basically, there are two tabs that are here. That lifts up and out, and same thing for this one. Heck, I'll try and use this thing. There we go. Boom. And now, let me move the box that I have this resting on. There we go. You should see the ghetto camera stand I have. Alright. There you go. And I'm pretty sure these bulbs are fixed into the housings. Nope, they're not. So that's what I'm working with, basically, or was. These are actually pretty freaking dim, not gonna lie. So hopefully these new ones, they actually came with bulbs. Hopefully these are a little bit better, because I'm trying to, you know, see at night, you know what I mean? That's a pretty big difference just in terms of quality. So let's go ahead and so that's it. Alright, so that's taken care of. In comparison, you've got this super shiny, there we go, focused. Super shiny, nice new headlight. Super dirty old foggy headlight. New, old, new, old. I'm sure you can see the difference. And, well, here. Perspective, right? That's a crisp, clear perspective. And this is my stand, by the way. This is my tripod, quote unquote. Alright, time to do the other passenger side. I'm probably not going to film it, because, you know, I just filmed doing that side, the other side, the exact same thing, just, you know, to the side. So I'll go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so that's done, and that's done. I gotta say, it looks so much better. It's dry. Except the inside. So it's still got water in there. Make it leak out. No, apparently not. So it just got in, never got out. So we're just gonna leave those there. Yeah, I gotta say that looks a lot better. Like a lot better. And hopefully I'll be able to see at night now. So yeah, really quick, tiny video. Nothing special, just some headlight replacement. Just a headlight. the gasket here in a little bit. So, lots of stuff being done. Lots of stuff having to be taken care of. But, nonetheless, I'll get that video out eventually. This one will probably come out first, even though it's, you know, the most recent one. But, yeah. So, it'll come out though, as promised. A whole bunch of general maintenance stuff had to be done. So I had to put a hold on all the fun stuff. But now I can get back to the fun stuff, hopefully. So you'll be seeing a lot more videos now. And with the weather, you know, not being snow, who knows? Probably get a lot more stuff done. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, thanks for sticking around, and I certainly hope you keep your eyes peeled for future videos. Okay, bye.